If you want a home service business that literally prints cash and eventually runs without your day-to-day involvement so that you can enjoy real financial freedom, your mind's got to be focused on one thing: customer acquisition. That's it. Because if you can profitably acquire customers at scale, you win. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 mindset shifts that helped me grow a 7-figure remote cleaning business, all built around one core obsession: how do I get more customers faster and cheaper? I'm John Margulies, founder of Happy Home Helpers, a 7-figure remote cleaning business, and Rags to Riches University, where I help people like you start and grow a profitable cleaning business using nothing but a phone and a laptop. I'm filtering this report to show you January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. And you can see that I processed $1,330,668.45 in credit card payments alone. That doesn't include checks and cash. This is literally the result of me putting 90% of my focus and time on customer acquisition. And if you want to achieve similar results, these 5 steps will get your mind right. Step number 1, become obsessed with traffic and conversion. And I'll explain what that means. Traffic is simply the number of people who see your offer. And conversion is how many of those people actually become leads, or even better yet, paying customers. That's it. Customer acquisition equals traffic times conversion. It's a volume game. Before the internet, local businesses obsessed over the same thing, but the tools were different. They used billboards, yellow pages, storefront signs, bus stop ads, and even sign spinners on the corner like you've seen. And they did that because they needed eyeballs. That was their version of traffic, and they would literally measure it by foot traffic or car counts. Like, how many cars drive by this location every day, or how many people walk past this corner. That's how they decided where to put the signs. And now we do the exact same thing, just digitally. We run ads on Google, Facebook, Yelp, even Thumbtack, and we use keywords and cost per clicks to decide where to place our digital signs. And instead of pointing people to a brick and mortar storefront, the signs are pointing people to an offer page, which is on your website. But here's the part most people miss. See, when someone lands on your website, you don't get to greet them in person, you don't get to smile, shake their hand, and you don't get to build trust in conversation. Your website has to do all that for you. That means the words, the images, your layout, everything. It has to be intentional. It has to greet them, answer their questions, and make it easy for them to say yes. That's where conversion comes in. And that's why you need to think of your website like a sales rep you're paying 24/7. The better it converts, the lower your ads cost, and the higher your profit margin is. Now, here are the 3 most important website conversion elements you need to obsess over. Number 1, clarity in under 5 seconds. When someone lands on your website, they need to understand 3 things in less than 5 seconds. What is it? How does it benefit me? And how can I get it? If they don't understand those 3 things, they're gone. They literally will bounce. Now look at my Happy Home Helpers move-out cleaning page. The headline is big and bold: Professional Move-Out Cleaning in Las Vegas. That's what we do. Instantly clear. And next to the headline, what is commonly called as the hero section, should be the lead capture form. But most people waste this space with an image of a clean home, like this. I always make the call to action the star, because that's what I want people to do. Eyeballs go where you point them. And I mean literally. That's why my wife is on the website right here in the middle, pointing to the lead form submit button. You see, great website design is not about aesthetics. It's all about conversion optimization. Number 2, preemptively overcome objections. Don't wait for people to ask questions. Make a list of the 5 most common objections someone might have before they book your service. Then write 5 bullet points under the headline that crush each one, like this. Renters, our mission is to recover your full security deposit. Owners, we will make your home sparkle for showing so it sells fast. Flexible scheduling that works for you. We fit into your move-out timeline. Simple booking and clear communication. No hidden fees, ever. Transparent pricing with no surprises. When people feel like you've already anticipated their concerns, they feel understood, and that builds instant trust. Number 3, show the work people hate doing themselves. The tedious or nasty stuff, like scrubbing baseboards, wiping blinds, cleaning behind toilets, and tackling the inside of the oven. When they see someone else doing it, they feel relieved, and that feeling compels them to buy. People are emotional, and that's what makes them convert. So here's the bottom line. Traffic brings people to your store, or in this case your website, and conversion gets them to buy your service. If you're not obsessed with both, you're just wasting money. But when you dial them in, you create a customer acquisition machine that you can scale with paid ads and turn up like a faucet. Step 2, strong cash flow solves everything. Every problem you have right now, cash fixes it. Can't find good cleaners? Cash lets you pay more. Can't keep up with the administrative stuff? Cash buys you more support people. Want to grow faster? Cash fuels ads. And here's the magic. When you have more cash, you deliver a better customer experience. And when you deliver a better customer experience, you get more referrals and better reviews, which drives even more cash. It all starts with revenue. Step 3, only do what drives revenue. This is the filter, the lens, the gut check. Before you spend time or money on anything, ask, does this directly or indirectly help me get more customers? If the answer is no, scrap it. No one cares about your logo, and the quote in your email signature won't bring in leads. Focus on the moves that drive income: ads, calls, content, follow-ups, offers, and pricing strategy. Step number 4, focus on speed. Move fast. There's very little competition when it comes to speed and customer service. Most cleaning businesses out there are run by solo operators who are so busy cleaning, they don't have the time to answer the phone or respond quickly to leads. This is where I saw my chance. By focusing on speed and exceptional customer service, I was able to dominate the market quickly and take huge market share from my competitors. Responding to potential clients in real time and making it easy for them to book became my biggest advantage. It's the reason why I was able to outpace and outperform other cleaning services in my area, even if they've been around for years. I call it the Swift Service System because it enables rapid response capability, assuring clients that their needs will be addressed without delay. This is critical in the cleaning industry, where clients often seek quick solutions and fast answers, especially if they're comparing multiple services. This approach is organized, consistent, and purpose-built to deliver a top-notch experience. The Swift Service System is effective because it capitalizes on a unique operational structure that most cleaning businesses don't have: remote customer service representatives who are dedicated solely to responding to leads and customer needs. You always want to hire overseas reps at a fraction of the cost to affordably provide this level of support. Having these representatives stand by to answer inbound leads throughout the day creates an immediate touch point for clients, leading to increased trust and higher conversion rates. This approach also establishes a reliable system, where leads aren't missed or delayed by the demands of field work. Instead, every lead is handled by dedicated professionals whose sole job it is to engage those clients quickly. Speed is how you gain an edge. Fast decisions, fast responses, fast fulfillment. If your booking process takes too long, simplify it. Time is money, and every delay is costing you sales. Before I give you step 5, hit that like button and subscribe if you're getting value from this video. Step number 5, understand that failure and problems are good. This is what separates real entrepreneurs from everyone else. Something didn't work? Good, you learned. A cleaner didn't show? Good, they're bad for business, don't assign them jobs anymore. If you're failing, it means you're trying. It means you're alive. And the people who win in this game aren't the ones who avoid failure. They're the ones who fail, learn, and move fast. So here's the bottom line. If you make every decision based on customer acquisition, and you move fast, fix what's broken, and double down on what works, you'll win. Revenue gives you leverage, leverage gives you options, and options give you freedom. That's the game. So the next time you're stuck wondering what to do next, ask yourself, will this get me more customers? If yes, go all in. If not, move on. That's the mindset that builds a 7-figure business. If you want my complete blueprint for starting your own 6 or even 7-figure remote cleaning business, I put together a step-by-step training that you can get access to right now on my website. It's the exact same process I used to build Happy Home Helpers and ultimately become a millionaire. Go to johnmargalite.com to get access. See you there.